Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Telegram account permanently right now. So let's head to Telegram over here, and in Telegram you have to go to settings. Now after you are in settings, you have to scroll down a little bit, then go to privacy and security. From here, scroll down, and then there is automatic delete my account if I'm away for 18 months. So all you need to do is click over here, and then you need to select delete account now. Now, after you have selected this, you need to scroll down and then click on delete my account. And now here you need to click on continue. Then you need to click on continue again. You need to enter your phone number. All right, so I have entered my phone number. Now I will click on continue over here and then select delete my account. So as you can see, my account has been deleted. Now no one will be able to find my account that was related in that number. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.